Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use landscape mode on iOS 17. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. From here guys, you have to scroll down and just simply you have to update your device to the iOS 17 and just simply you have to go to standby mode. Let me tell you that you have to turn on all of these toggles. Once you have done this guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to turn off this one. So once you have turned this off guys, just simply you have to open the apps which are supported in landscape way. Okay guys, if you don't have these apps, then let me tell you that you won't be able to use landscape mode. Okay guys, but you can still do it by connecting the charger with your device. Let me show you here guys if it's working or not. As you can see guys, you can use landscape mode or standby mode by following this way. You can customize this one, but you cannot use landscape way in the apps. If the apps are supported landscape way, then you can use this. So that's pretty much for today video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.